The slight difference between coders and hackers. As some of you may know, or maybe just from initial understanding, coders and hackers have a lot in common based on their knowledge of computer science. Coders and hackers are both individuals who work with code, but their goals and methods are quite different. Coders are responsible for writing, testing, and maintaining software programs and applications. They use their knowledge of programming languages and computer science to develop new software, fix bugs, and improve existing programs. They work with code in a legitimate and authorized way, following a specific set of rules and guidelines. Another difference between the two is that coders typically work in a structured environment, with a clear set of instructions and guidelines to follow. They work with a team and collaborate with other developers, while hackers often work alone. Now let's get into their lonesome archenemy. To achieve their objectives, hackers employ coding in a number of different methods. Others use code to obtain unwanted access to systems and networks, while some use it to develop malware and viruses that can infect computers and steal private information. Hackers frequently utilize a method known as SQL injection, in which they use code to take advantage of holes in a website's database. The hacker can access private data, including login passwords and financial information, by inserting malicious code into a website's input areas. This can be accomplished by taking advantage of coding flaws in the website, such as inadequate input validation or the usage of antiquated software. Hackers also use phishing, which involves writing code to produce phony websites or emails that look to come from reliable sources. These fraudulent websites and emails are made to deceive consumers into providing sensitive information, such as credit card numbers or login credentials. This information can then be used by the hacker to access the user's accounts or steal their identity. Additionally, hackers employ scripting languages like JavaScript, PHP, and Python to develop bot scripts that automate their hacking process. These programs can be used to launch a coordinated network attack or to check for system vulnerabilities. Hackers also utilize code to produce and disseminate malware and viruses in addition to these techniques. These harmful programs have the ability to manipulate a victim's computer, steal confidential data, and obstruct activities. In general, there are several methods that hackers use coding to accomplish their objectives. Hackers are continuously coming up with new ways to take advantage of code, whether it is by building phony websites and emails, exploiting security holes in existing programs, or disseminating malware and viruses. Let's continue on our coding programming journey. Remember to choose coder versus hacker. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.